Hello, in this video I'll show you how to connect your Monsieur Cuisine Smart with your with the Monsieur Cuisine app on your smartphone. You will need to install the Monsieur Cuisine app on your smartphone, and it's available both for iPhones as well as for Android phones. And later you will need to sign into the account, and it will either show you the option to connect to MC Smart, which you would need to select, or after you skip it, you will be able to click on this button right here in the bottom right corner, or I think you could also find device pairing right here. Yeah, and this screen should show up. You should be able to select MC Smart, and then you can click on add a device. For that, you'll need to go to your device, click on three lines in the top right corner, and then go to settings, and then find device pairing, and it'll display a QR code. So let's click on add a device, then next here, allow, and you'll need to scan that QR code. Well, let me try that. Well, it doesn't look like it's scanning at all. Let's see, cannot pair your device. Well, it should work, to be honest. I'm trying to move the device closer and further. As you can see, there's some light getting in the way. I'll try turning the light off. After turning off the light, it connected. So we can click on connect device. Then it asks, I can click enjoy remote cooking. And now, from now on, I can just use the device by clicking right here, clicking on the device. No, sorry. I could start remote cooking basically if I started cooking. I can also view like recipes in the app and send them to my device, for example, by adding it to favorites and stuff like that. But now let's try to use the remote cooking. For that, I'll go to, for example, the adapted cooking feature, and then I'll go to, well, let's try to set the time to like 5 minutes, for example, or let's do 9. Then the speed, let's set it to 1, and let's click on start, and let's see if it displays in my, yeah, as you can see, it displays in the app. I could see it right here, so I can click on it, I can see it, I can stop it remotely, and that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.